Here are some key facts about the first identified Boomerang meteorite. A boomerang meteorite is a space rock that has been captured by a planet's gravity and goes into orbit around that planet, before escaping and returning to an orbit around the Sun. The first known boomerang meteorite is called 2006 RH-120. It was discovered in 2006 by the Catalina Sky Survey in Arizona. 2006 RH-120 is a tiny asteroid just a few meters wide. It orbited the Earth for about 11 months before escaping in 2007 and returning to an independent orbit around the Sun. While temporarily orbiting Earth, 2006 RH-120's velocity slowed to about 7.5 km per second from its normal speed of approximately 20 km per second when free orbiting the Sun. 2006 RH-120's orbital path around the Sun was shifted by the gravity of Earth during its temporary capture. This is how it boomeranged away rather than impacting Earth. Based on its spectrum, 2006 RH-120 appears to be a type of asteroid called a V-type. Many V-types originate from the Vesta family of asteroids. Although 2006 RH-120 only orbited Earth for under a year, some asteroids can be temporarily captured for decades or longer before breaking free and resuming heliocentric orbits. 2006 RH-120 demonstrates that some near-Earth asteroids encountered by our planet don't necessarily collide, but can become temporary natural satellites before boomeranging back out into space. Please let me know if you need any clarification or have additional questions about 2006 RH-120, the first identified example of a boomerang meteorite.